Penis. Used for urination and reproduction. Example: the penis plays a key role in reproduction. Testicles. Glands that produce sperm. Example: men have 2 testicles inside the scrotum. Scrotum. The skin sac that holds the testicles. Example: the scrotum protects the testicles. Foreskin. The skin that covers the head of the penis. Example: some men have their foreskin removed. Glands. The sensitive head of the penis. Example: the glans is the most sensitive part of the penis. Urethra. The tube that carries urine and semen out of the body. Example: the urethra runs through the penis. Prostate. A gland that produces fluid for semen. Example: the prostate helps produce semen. Epididymis. A tube that stores sperm. Example: sperm matures in the epididymis. Seminal vesicles. Glands that produce a fluid that mixes with sperm. Example: the seminal vesicles provide fluid for semen. Vas deferens. Tubes that carry sperm from the testicles. Example: the vas deferens connects the testicles to the urethra. Vagina. The passage inside a woman's body. Example: the vagina connects to the uterus. Hymen. A thin tissue that may partially cover the vaginal opening. Example: the hymen can tear during physical activity. Vulva. The outer part of the female genital area. Example: the vulva includes the labia and clitoris. Labia. The folds of skin around the opening of the vagina. Example: the labia protect the vaginal opening. Clitoris. A small, sensitive part that provides pleasure. Example: the clitoris is important for female sexual pleasure. G-spot. A sensitive area inside the vagina that may enhance sexual pleasure. Example: some women say the G-spot provides intense pleasure. Uterus. The organ where a baby grows during pregnancy. Example: a baby develops inside the uterus. Ovaries. Organs that produce eggs. Example: women have 2 ovaries that release eggs. Fallopian tubes. Tubes that carry eggs from the ovaries to the uterus. Example: eggs travel through the fallopian tubes. Cervix. The lower part of the uterus that opens into the vagina. Example: the cervix connects the uterus to the vagina. Breasts. Organs that produce milk after childbirth. Example: women use their breasts to feed their babies. Areola. The dark area around the nipple. Example: the areola darkens during pregnancy. Nipple. The part of the breast that releases milk. Example: babies latch onto the nipple for breastfeeding. Mons pubis. The fatty area above the vulva. Example: the mons pubis is covered in hair after puberty. Bladder. The organ that stores urine. Example: the bladder holds urine until it's released. Pubic hair. Hair that grows around the genitals. Example: people grow pubic hair during puberty. Perineum. The area between the genitals and anus. Example: the perineum is sensitive and located between the legs. Anus. The opening where the body passes stool. Example: the anus is located at the end of the digestive tract. Pelvis. The lower part of the torso that supports the reproductive organs. Example: the pelvis holds the reproductive organs in both men and women. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.